Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In the last video, we designed this sign up screen as you can see on the screen right now, and we did all this coding here. So in this video, we are going to continue this designing. First of all, we have to change this heading font. It's not looking well, so we will change the font and we will use Google Fonts. If you know Google how to use Google Font, well and good. If you don't know, so you will learn in this video also. And we will add our text field also here so that user can fill her or his information like phone number, password, email, etc. So to use Google Font, what we have to do, come to the Google here and write here PubDev, and you will see this first one. Click on PubDev and then write here Google Font like this. Google Font, enter. Now you will see this first link, Google Fonts. Click on it and then you will see this here installing. Click on it and then click this dependency and come back to the Android Studio. Open PubSpecs and after this URL launcher dependency, just paste it here and click on PubGet. And as you can see, our dependency has been added with exit code 0. So now close this file and come here. Now what we have to do, let's cut this all code here. Let's cut it and remove this text style. Now write Google here, Google Font dot the Google font name. So I'm using, there's a lot of fonts here as you can see, but I will use this one, Acme, and then I will style it. So style, text style, and then paste the same code which we have cut it before like this. Now let's test the app, how it's look. Hot reload. And as you can see, our font has been changed like this. You can see we have changed this Acme name of our font. So next we will add all text field here so that user can fill his or her information like phone number, password, email, and all. So let's design that. So after this link inkwell, you can see here this is the inkwell, this is the visit here, and after this let's add one size box and give height 11 so that there will be little space. And after this let's create form, and inside this form we have to pass something, and there is a one key, and the key will be variable which we will create now. So to create a key variables for this form, we have to go above here, and before this final picture variable here, let's write global key form state, and then the key name will be form key equal global key, and write here form state and the semicolon. So this is the global key for the form key, this is the variable we have declared here. Now we will use this here. So come back here. So key will be key form, sorry, form key, this one. So key will be form key, we have declared already, and child will be column. Inside this column we have children visits. Now inside these children we have to pass our text form field. So text form field, inside this text form field we have to pass something like, first of all we have to pass on change, and here inside this brackets, curly bracket, we have to write value, and here we have to pass underscore name controller, which dot text equal to value. And this variable we have declared here, as you can see here above, this one. Now the color has been changed. If we will use all these variables, so all color will be like same, this purple color like this. Still we did not use this, so it's not highlighted, you can see. So we have already used this, so its color change. So now we have passed this name variable here. So after this we have to give some more property inside this text for field. So write here decoration, input decoration, and inside this we will write something like hint text. Hint text will be enter name, and then and label text will be name, and after this prefix icon, padding, inside this padding edge inset dot only top 4, and then here we have to pass child icon and open icon, then icons will be person, and color will be colors dot gray, then after this padding border outline, border outline border border, open border radius, border dot circulars 12 comma, and after this border side dot border side, and then color will be orange, and put comma, and then width will be 2. So what we did actually here, we have this form, this is the main class. Inside this form we have given one key variable, so this is the key of this form, and then after that this form has a child column. Inside this column we created children, this text form field, And here this text form field has the value of this variable, which is the underscore name controller dot text value. Then we design this decoration, so hint text will be enter name and label text will be name, and there will be an icon for a person, and the icon color will be gray, and little bit will this is space for this is padding for space. So on the roundabout of this icon there will be some space, and after that we have given one border, and border radius will be 12, and then we have fill background, so color will be orange and its width will be 2. Now after this put here comma, and here also put comma. After this text form field, let's create one size box, and height will be 6 and comma. Now what we have to do, first of all, come here, let's make it like this. We can press Ctrl Alt L, but I want to tell you what I am doing here. So just copy this one, copy this from this text field here and till here. So copy all these things, copy, and come here after this size box, just paste it here like this, and here write enter email, and label text will be email, and the icon will be not person, it's an email icon. Change it email icon like this, and color will be gray. After this come here and write it underscore email like this. This is the controller which we have created in a variable. Then after that copy from here this and this here, from you can see, guys do the same exact what I am doing here. So copy this all things again and till this size box, copy, and come down here, and after this simply paste, and then change this underscore password, or right here phone, and right here enter phone, and here will be phone, and then change the icon. It's not email, it's a phone, so you can say phone, or you can say android like this. And then after this we need one more field for password, so just come here after this text form field and paste again here, and change this to password, and right here enter password, and here also password, and then here icon will be lock, color will be gray, same like this. And after this text field we have to put one button, so that when user will click on registered button, so it will be registered. So like this, here we have to create one button. First of all, after this here right here size box, and height will be 5, and then again write one size box, and height will be 40, and width will be let's say its width will be 150, and inside this we have to add button. So here child elevated button, and then inside this elevated button we have to pass something on press. So when user will press on it, what should be done, and like this. And after that, child text. So what will text on this button? We will write registered. Registered. And after this, we have to style this so that it look good. So for that we have to write some properties. So after this on press, let's style button style, and inside this we have to write some properties. Background color, material state property dot all, and press enter. Colors will be, let's give color this one deep orange, and put comma. And after this we have to give rounded corner for this. So for that shape, sorry, after this here put a comma and I write here shape, sorry, shape, material property, material dot all, and then here we have to write rounded rectangle border, and inside this press enter. Here we have to give rounded rectangle, and inside this we have to give border radius dot circular will be 22. That's all. And then press Ctrl Alt L so that your code will be formatted like this. So we did all these things here, as you can see. Now we will check this application and we will see how it's looking our sign up page. So let's run application from here. And as you can see, we have this text form field, so we have to manage all these things. We have to take care of this button. There is no space and it's going down so much, so all these things we have to do. So come back here, and here instead of this write, come back, come here above, and you will see here this padding for this column, for the heading where we have where we are showing this heading. We have to decrease this, so let's make it 50, and come down, and this size box let's make 110, and let's see how it's look our application. And really hot. Now you can see our heading on the top, and there is will be some space. So here let's decrease something, come here, and let's make it 100 or say 90. Reload, and now you can see, and little bit we have to decrease this icon radius also. So come here, and this is the radius. Where is the radius? Say this 20, instead of 20 let's write 15, and here also let's add 15. Reload. Now it's looking good, and just pass here little bit space. Here you can see before this registered button, between this password and this register button there is no space, so little bit we have to give some space here. So for that, come here, this is the button, and here the height, this one, let's give here 8. Load. Now there is a space, you can see here, and let's give some more, come above, and here you will see this, say 80. Now it's looking fine, and just you can see we have to change this container color. You can see it's a little bit here, it's a white and it's a gray. So what we have to do, come here, so come here, and here this is the container which we have for this all inkwell, all these things. So here let's change this colors will be white, and let's change the color of this, so it will be white and it will be gray. The add photo alternate icons will be gray, and reload. Let's see, and now you can see we have this form here, you can see, and if we click on email, so it's showing email, and if we show email, and then if we go click on password, so password, phone, and you can enter phone. So this is our sign up screen, and we will work on another screen, on login screen, so that after that we will work on this button. If we submit this button, where we have to go, and we will design sign up, sign in login screen also. So thank you guys to watch this video, and see you guys in the next videos.